Hi, Asher. No, leave it on for a second. You're such a pretty little girl, Asher. Oh, yes, you are. This is Asher trying on Kyler's new outfit. And this is Kyler, the newest addition to our family. Hi, Kyler. Kyler's a girl, if you're wondering.
You're wondering, why would Asher be wearing a dress?
Oh, you look so pretty.
Oh, he did a twirl.
Thank you. You look funny in a dress, Ash.
No. You look adorable in a dress, Asher.
The rest of the clothing.
So?
Do I need to feed a little one?
Yes.
Hi, Kyler.
Green one.
Are you hungry? Kyler, are you hungry? Yeah? Oh.
Sucking Daddy's finger.
Mom will feed you now. You're so hungry. Okay.
She's like, that's not giving me any milk.
No, it tastes yucky.
What?
Kyler is 6 days old today.
She's 5.
Today is the 16th, so 5 days old.
5 days old, sorry. My mistake. I'm bad with math, yes.
Yes, we'll put the camera down.